Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Lone Star Chick Plans, and I wanted to bring you guys into and with me into my grocery haul that I did today. So I picked up groceries from HEB. This is just a little bit for what we need to get through the next week. I'll just go through it with you guys real quick, and I think I'll put my total, but I think it was like about $183 for everything, I believe. I did have to get meat because I haven't been able to get to Sam's to do like a big Sam's haul for meat to restock. So I just went ahead and picked up some meat, which we won't eat all this week, but we will eat probably most of what I bought. And then hopefully some of that will carry us into next week in case I can't get to the grocery store next weekend. But I got some lean beef stew meat. I got some 80/20 ground chuck. I got 5 pounds of that. I think this is about 3 pounds, 3.5. Normally I think we average about 3 pounds per meal. And that is to get us fed for the meal we're eating normally, and then lunch the next day. So we're talking about anywhere from 5 to 6 meals because it's 3 of us, so me, my husband, and my son. And so I try to get do about 3 pounds, and 3 pounds will get us basically essentially 2 meals. So that would be dinner for the night and then lunch the next day. So this is a pack of chicken breast, boneless skinless chicken breast, and that I'll split that definitely into 2 meals. So that will get us 2 meals. This 5-pound chuck roll will get us 2 meals. This will get us 2 meals, probably dinner and lunch the next day. I got some eggs. I got some HEB ranch. So if you're not local to Texas, then you won't have an HEB nearby. But if you are, I haven't actually shopped at HEB in a long time. So I think it's been back to 2022, I think is what I saw on my history. So it's been a while. They did build a new one close to me, and I've been wanting to try it for so long. It's just kind of out of the way and not where I normally shop, and obviously not where I can get the best deals. I don't feel like they're as competitive to me as Kroger is for me. So it's not my preferred grocery shopping store, but I did want to get some specific things from there this time, and that is why I chose to just go ahead and shop there. But this probably won't be my everyday grocery store. I just feel like it's too expensive. So I did get some au jus gravy mixed. That is going to be for dinner either Tuesday or Thursday. I'm not sure what day. And this beef stew mix, that's also going to be for either Tuesday or Thursday. I'm not sure which one we'll eat first. I did get a refill on the jasmine rice because that's what we love. I did get some granola bars. I got some pancake and waffle mix. I got 4 cans of tomato sauce, no salt added. I got a can of refried beans. Y'all, these beans are so good. They're refried charro beans. And then I got a can of charro beans. So we'll be having that for dinner this week. I did get some stick butter. I got 2 packs of cheese, which was pepper jack and Swiss. I got a bundle of green bananas, a green bell pepper, some cilantro, bell pepper, and then I did get a pack of turkey breast for sandwiches, some 2 pounds of baby carrots. My dog likes to crunch on these, and I also like to eat them for a snack, which hence the ranch. So sugar. I'm gonna make some homemade sweet tea tonight for dinner. A bag of russet potatoes. Y'all, this was in my basket in my trunk. I don't remember ordering this. I haven't looked through my order yet, but I definitely don't remember ordering this, and I don't think it was on my receipt. I think I got somebody else's stuff. Baby spring mix, so I'm not sure about that. I did get a stick of deodorant. I got a loaf of bread. We'll go back through over here. I got a refill of olive oil for my little olive oil sprayer that I have over there. I got a package of mushrooms, which is going to be with the stew meat we're going to make. So I'm going to make some of that. And then I got 2 packs of Italian sausage because we're going to have that with spaghetti probably tomorrow night. And then I got some pork stew meat that we're gonna eat with these roasted tomatillo salsas, which are to die for. They're really, really good. So I'll cook the meat first, and then I'll add this in at the end so it doesn't get lost, and it makes just a great guisado. So I got the potatoes to cut up and cook it with the pork meat. Then I also got some seasoning, Southwest fajita, pork rub, and then I also got some sweet and sour that's going to go with our egg rolls that we plan on eating on Friday. So I also did get some meal prep containers, but y'all, they are humongous. They did not look like that in the picture, and I've never bought these before, so I'm definitely gonna have to return those because they're not gonna work. They are way too big. And then I restacked the snack shack over here. We've got healthy and some not so healthy, so we got both. We've got some trail mix that I just bagged up. And I got these cool little portion size bags from Walmart. So yeah, they're like long rectangular and there are measurements on there. So it's called portion packs or something. We've got 2 of these. We've got some oatmeal. We've got some cookies, some chewy granola bars, some little fruit and grain bars. Then we've got some Teddy Grahams, some animal crackers, Ritz cheese bites, Nutter Butters, Oreos, Chips Ahoy. That's what we're snacking on this week. Got those last week. But yeah, so I think what we're gonna have this week is, let me see if I can remember. So plan on spaghetti. Tonight I'm gonna make meatloaf. So I'm gonna use half of this beef. I'm gonna make meatloaf, white rice, and I think some black-eyed peas. And then tomorrow I'm gonna make spaghetti with the Italian sausage, and I do have some garlic bread in the freezer. I already had noodles and pasta sauce that I bought last week. We just didn't ever eat the meal, and so we're gonna eat that this week. And then that's Monday. Tuesday I think we'll have the pork guisado, and we'll have Mexican rice with one of the refried beans. That's Tuesday. Wednesday, I'll probably put the stew meat to cook, and we'll have stew with carrots. I bought carrots and potatoes. We'll have a stew and with white rice, I'm sure. And then Thursday, we'll have, what are we going to have Thursday? I think we're having pork. Oh yeah, pork chops, smothered pork chops, which is going to go with the mushrooms and the au jus gravy. We're having smothered pork chops and then mashed potatoes. And then we're going to have on Friday, I plan on having egg rolls and rice. Probably white rice, egg rolls and white rice. Y'all, we just love white rice. So we eat white rice all the time and nobody ever complains. We love it. And I always pretty much just do the jasmine rice because that's what we love. And because I'm limited on time, I use my rice cooker. I live by this thing. And if we're not cooking the rice cooker, we're cooking in the air fryer. If we're not cooking in the air fryer, we're broiling in the oven. So this week, though, we're going to be doing the slow cooker. I didn't check to see if I had bags. I should have got slow cooker liners because I think I only have one left. I think I'm going to definitely have to get some of those. But yeah, anyways, you guys, that's what we're doing. I have a long work week this week, so it's going to be slow cooker. And I think my mom's going to probably come over and cook for us because I have no idea what hours I'm going to be putting in this week. I just know they're going to be long. And it's going to be every day starting tomorrow. So y'all pray for me. I need to get through this week. But yeah, it's about 4:30 right now on Sunday. But yeah, I just spent the day cleaning today. Still kind of trying to get back on track from the hurricane. It's been a few weeks, but it also has been just go with work and just life getting in the way. So yesterday we actually spent some time outside cleaning up. And so we got some new fans. We got them all wired up and plugged in and going. And y'all, they are so great. It's like, thank you, Hurricane, for taking out the old ones because these are way better I got these little plant stands. They were my father-in-law's, and when we helped him clean out his house about a month ago, we got them from him, and he was gonna get rid of them. They're like cast iron, so I had them powder coated, which should make them foolproof and weatherproof. So hopefully they last a really long time, but they're just gloss black, but it's okay. It kind of complements the black sign that I have there. And then we did work on some of the fence yesterday, but we still have a ways to go. You guys can see where I'm not sure if you guys can see that, but we're still missing some fence there. The back is still pretty tore up. We did take out all the front fence and all the posts, so that's ready to be redone. But yeah, we just cleaned up a little bit and got everything good. We did have some like chicken wire around the fence here on the porch, but we're actually gonna have to take it all down and redo it because first of all, it's kind of old and weathered, but also most of it is just kind of just standing in place, and it's not really bolted down like it used to be, so it's not sturdy. It's gonna fall over if you lean on it. So right now it's just up for show for the dog, but it's not really stable or sturdy anymore. The hurricane really did do a number on it, and if you can see, that other side is missing some boards. Yeah, the hurricane took care of that. So we're just gonna get a bunch of dirt, fill in a bunch of holes, and we're gonna redo this whole porch eventually in the next few weeks. So I'll be working on that. But we did have a pretty bad rainstorm blowing this morning, so my porch was clean, but if you guys can see over there on the floor in the corner, it's all dirty again. I need to rinse it off. But yeah, so I just spent the day cleaning up, doing laundry. But yeah, I just spent the day cleaning, mopping, cleaning my fridge, cleaning my stove, mopping the floors, washing all the walls, just cleaning everything to get everything ready for the week. Do like a little reset. As you can see, I got my glass cleaner and polish still out. I still need to do that. I need to knock that off my to-do list today. But yeah, so it was a busy, productive day. Then I had to hurry up, take a shower and change because I was super sweaty from cleaning everything. And I had to go get groceries. So I don't live close to a grocery store, so it was an hour trip to go and come back. It's about a 25-minute drive to the nearest grocery store, and then you know, you gotta wait, and then, you know, a drive back. So it's not close by, but got it done. Got my diffuser going over there to smell up the place, and it just feels cleaner and smells good in here. And even my husband and my son were like, "Ooh, it feels clean in here," you know, after everything. So hard work pays off. So now it feels better, it feels cleaner, it feels like better. So yeah, so that's it for you guys for the video today. I need to get this meatloaf in the oven and get the rice going in the rice cooker, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.